video of that.
I did.
Oh, you did?
Uh-huh.
I need to rinse out my feet.
Oh my God.
Whoa. I'm worried about this now. No, Olivia, don't climb up there. How do you get down? Oh, you just walk. See, getting down or getting back up?
Whoa.
Adam, leave! I don't. I'm not doing that. I'm adventurous, that Adam Becky. Whoa, what are these deer tracks?
Let's see.
It looks like deer poo. Don't do that. Don't do that. There. See a few sausages. Who cares about you? That's the stuff.
It's a balloon. It's a balloon. It's a balloon. It's a balloon. It's the biggest tree on Earth.
Buoy.
At the top.
All full.
The beach is in sight. Let's go. Oh my gosh, it looks awesome.
We gotta go down to where it.
This is awesome.
To where it
Look at
turns.
that. Imagine being on that log.
Hey guys, so we're all upstairs. Mama.
The black hole.
We're going down. We finally made it.
You got it! Yeah, take your boots off.
Look at, we can head.
You can take your boots off. It's like it's a beach.
Yay.
Okay, so I built this castle. See, if you go try to get into the castle, this is the first it will be too hard, just like that down. And if you try to go over here, you get at that end. So no one can intrude unless the person who owns it lets them in. Then they'll just somehow get them up, like probably pull them inside. But then here's the entrance, and then. I don't know, this chair and a stick that's eventually going to be the flag.
Yeah.
Hi. Bye.
You want me to?
Stepping on the beach, doo 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 doo. 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 All the garbage we found.
Look at there's deer prints right here.
People can hurt nature.
Beautiful right
That
there.
is really beautiful. Be a nice spot to have a picnic right in here.
It's a game.
Let's go.
You can come back in the spring and you can walk right over there. You can come.
A little piece of lichen. This has been Awesome Adventures 100. Hope you had an awesome day. Leave a like and subscribe. See you in the next video. Bye!